Hey, parents of teen drivers. Today I have a fun one. It's going to be a little bit of a challenge. I'd like to do some of these once in a while to maybe see if the young kids know the things that the old people know. So basically, go and ask your teen if they know what this thing is, right? And it's something I'm preparing for a road trip and I ran across this and I thought it was pretty cool. So do you think they know what a road atlas is? This actually happens to be a really big one that my mom purchased for me recently, and so yes, she still gets me things from time to time. But this thing has some really cool stuff in it. It actually is a road atlas that covers national parks as well, and so it's got some really nifty things and ask them if they know how to read a legend, right? All the different roads and symbols and signs and what all that stuff means. That is, a pretty amazing thing that we take for granted these days, that everything is on our phone and we can just access maps and roads and whatever else. Where back in the day, we had to go through giant books like this and find what city and what state we wanted to go to and what we wanted to deal with. I mean, check this map of the United States out. I mean, that is pretty gnarly. And it just goes on and goes through all the different cities and states and towns. It even does parts of Canada. And so it could be kind of a cool challenge to go with your teen on a trip and try to see if they could actually navigate using something like this, right? That's pretty crazy. They probably would have no idea how to do it. One of the things I also thought that was really neat in here, they have mileage charts. So it gives you all these cities and it tells you how to get from one to another. And then they also have this deal, which is it shows you all the different cities, and all those red lines show you how much time it takes to get from one city to the next. So you can literally map out your whole thing and figure out how long it's going to take, which is nice because then you're not on your phone punching it in, trying to have Google, or if you're out of service or you're out of power, then you can actually whip this thing out and figure out how long it's going to take. So the handy old road atlas. Go challenge your team and see if they know what it is, see if they know how to use it, know how to read it. And it'll be one of those things where, we'll say back in my day, we used to do those kind of things. But I do think it's a pretty cool thing to do and to challenge with your team. And from time to time, we may do this again. And also, if y'all have any other ideas of things that the ways to stump teens and things that we know about that they don't, like a VHS tape or something, please let me know and direct message me or leave a comment, and we can make other posts about that type of thing. But I figured that this has to do with teen driving safety as well, because if they ever get stuck without the phone, they need to know how to read a map. So thanks again. And this is another edition of Parents of Teen Drivers Facebook group. And I'm Seth Smiley from the Smiley Law Firm. Thank you.